That was not very good. Okay, so you guys, I'm doing a Stim Toy Collection, Stim, Stress Collection, whatever you want to call it. I like to do Stress Collection because this is a lot of things that I use when I'm stressed. I'm just mad. So, what'd you get for Christmas? Some of these stuff I got for Christmas by my friends and stuff, so I like that. So, if you aren't subscribed, if you're new to my channel, go click this red button down here. Do it. Like right here. Ring that bell right here. Do that, okay? That's good, because then once you do all of those, you're a real squad. You're real. You're part of the squad. So, you're part of the kingdom, whatever you want to call it. Squad, team. This or this. This pillow. Family, crew, tribe, planner, squad. What? Any of those, whatever you want to call it. Name down something that you want to call it. So, my food's probably going to be coming, so I have to hurry up. So, this thing, it's just a squirrel. I like to pull him. My brothers, I pulled so much that these little furry things on him would open up, and you could see basically, like, it would be like this. The string inside it would get loose, and then it would kind of look like what happened there. So, I forgot what I used to call these, but this one's my brother's, but because I can't find mine, I just like to shake it when I'm stressed, or just roll the top. And when I'm not, when I'm stressed, I just want to color all over the place and ruin stuff. That's what this is for. Not like color all over the place, but that's what this is for.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So this has been taped up.
Don't spill anything, please.
Is real stress toy. You have to untangle it, and what you have to do is, I think, get one of these hoops onto one of the ball strings. It might take time, but it's possible. It looks impossible, but it is possible. I like this because I like to roll this, I like to do this, and I like to solve it. And it gets things off my mind that I don't want to be on my mind. So, I like to keep this here. Fidget spinners. Everybody knows these. This one isn't so good. Haven't been oiled. This one's just another one that I have here for an example. So, this hard ball. It's from a ball gun. You guys probably, one of you might know this game, but I just like to squeeze it because it's really stiff, and it's just like really good to squeeze. Don't mind the background noise. Hubba bubba. Doing it right now, but I'm not stressed. So
I just want to play hockey.
here it is. Hubba bubba. I like to do hubba bubba when I am mad at getting something from my mom.
No, you want to go to Dixie Mall and everything, Anthony.
Slime, don't mind about
Well,
that
when's
noise.
Texas birthday? Next week?
No, Saturday.
This Saturday coming up?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
So, thanks for watching
Is that what her mom said?
this video. Oh, and headphones. I like to untangle these.
Subscribe to the channel.
And this. Yep. Did you hear what he said?
Subscribe to the channel.
You'll be part of the crew, squad, whatever you want to call it. So, bye. Bye.